In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Facebook stories something went wrong problem. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also give a first restart to your router. Next up, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Facebook. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, check the server status of Facebook. For that, launch your preferred browser, type in Facebook server status and search for it. Navigate to the website Down Detector. If there are any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. Next, check if you are connected to VPN. Launch your control center. Now, navigate to the option VPN. Make sure it is disabled. If you are connected to any VPN, disable it. Likewise, if you are using browser, you can switch to Facebook app. In case you are using Facebook app and getting the error, you can switch to web version. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.